In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Messenger with your Wix website using two methods. In the first one, we'll be utilizing a third-party platform, like Elfsight, while in the second one, we'll employ a Wix app for a more straightforward integration. To begin with, let's talk about using a third-party service, such as Elfsight, to add a Facebook chat widget to your website. To do this, you first need to navigate to the platform of your choice, like Elfsight. After opening Elfsight, locate and select the option for a Facebook chat widget, as this will serve as the connection between Messenger and your website. Once you have chosen your widget, the next step is personalizing it according to your preferences. Connect your Facebook account with Elfsight and start customizing the selected Facebook chat widget. This can involve altering its appearance, such as changing the welcome message, selecting an appropriate chat icon, and choosing the colors to suit your website's aesthetic. Moving ahead, having tailored the widget to your liking, Elfsight will prompt you to select a plan. After you've chosen one, the platform will generate a code snippet that's unique to your custom widget. It's this valuable piece of code that will finally link your widget to your website, so make sure to copy it. Next, it's time to integrate this widget into your actual Wix website. To do this, go to your Wix editor and add an embed code element. This element can be found by clicking the plus icon. Once added, paste the copied code into the HTML embed box. Our final task here is to set the widget's position on your web page. You can simply drag and drop the widget where you want it on your page. After you've found the right spot for your chat widget, click Update and then publish your site. Voila! Your website is now equipped with a connected Facebook chat via Elfsight. Moving on to the second method, which involves using a Wix app, the first thing you need to do is find and install a Facebook Messenger or chat app from your Wix dashboard. In the app market, search for an application like Live Messenger. Once you've located an app that suits your needs, click the Add to Site button to install this app on your website. After successfully adding the application, you'll need to set it up in sync with your Facebook page. Follow the provided instructions closely to connect the app to Facebook and establish the desired settings. This includes setting up the app's appearance and deciding on the locations on your site where the widget will appear. Last but not least, publish your updated Wix site. The chat widget should now be fully functional and live on your website, thanks to the installed app. And there you have it. This simple guide should have you all set with integrating Messenger with your Wix site, using either Elfsight or a Wix app. Enjoy the newfound engagement and interaction with your audience.